Hey. Okay, so I kind of moved the pictures around already. Anyway, oh no, I'm gonna use this one. It's okay, I've already done my journaling. It's gonna break my heart here. These pictures are of the day we went and did family photos, and we went to eat afterwards. And you know, I think we all really enjoyed ourselves. I think you can see at the end in some of the photos, which I don't really have posted anywhere. But I was gonna bet this was something. That inside. Cover that overnight up. And we're ready. Now, anyway, a friend of mine, Johanna, had gifted us with a session to have family photos done. This had to have been last year. I want to say it was close to Christmas time. Couldn't have been that close because I don't think I had had my surgery yet. And that was literally the week before Christmas. Anyway, these are my two oldest, Nay and Michael. And we had a good time. We went out, took our pictures, went out to eat afterwards. And you know, and I've talked about this in other videos, you know, there was a day and time when I really didn't think this would ever happen. Just the getting along and camaraderie between my kiddos. But we're here. We finally made it. And I'm happy. I am happy. Okay, I'm going to leave these really plain, so to speak, because on the one I did yesterday, it plumped up my album quite a bit. So, this one of Mr. Melikai. Okay, so this one, I really love the way it is, except I want to use it on this layout. And this particular picture, this was the last picture, and you can tell my man right here, he is like, I'm done. So he is not one to mince words. He's going to tell you if he likes it. He's going to tell you if he don't like it. But what did I do with it? Let me go find that other piece. Okay, so I was looking for this piece. It was over there. Anyway, so I kind of covered it up to say how she loved her kiddos. And I use, this is all Citrus Twist. And let's find... I kind of like that. It might be a little bit gaudy. Let's see what we got. I'm sorry, I don't remember if I was saying something before this. Good grief. That's horrible, isn't it? Anyway, I was, and me and my husband actually did some pictures, but I couldn't get them to crop really well, so I just did a few of them that would actually came out okay. Okay. That's gonna fall. It fell. Okay. And so the two that go on the side over here are going to be just like filler cards. But I was a little worried that these would blend in with this paper, and they kind of do, but not too horribly, I guess. Have you guys seen the glue bottle toppers that May Made It has on her website? She had them. I don't know if she has them anymore, because when I went to check them out, and it was literally the day after they announced them, they were sold out. So so don't feel bad if you don't get them. Dang it, I just did that, and I needed to put one of these on here. Get out the way. I am going to pause you because for this one I've got quite a few stickers to put down. Okay, so the card says, first we took pictures, then we went to eat. And I'm going to put it up at the top, sort of, so I can get this little banner looking piece down here. Ooh, flip it. Let me pull you out just a little bit there. And to bring in some of the green, I thought I'd put that on there. Okay, sorry about that. You know how it is. You record, everybody wants to talk to you. And I can't turn my babies away. They'll be gone before I know it. Oh, dear. I know most people who know me wouldn't even believe that. I think I'm going to put this over here. Wouldn't really believe that I feel that way about my children, because I'm always talking about, you know, as soon as one of them leaves, I get a craft room. But, you know, I do love them to pieces. How did I get that on there crooked? It's almost like impossible to do it straight. Wait. You know what? I kind of would like to... Let's see. I hate to cover that flower up. Maybe just that way. Okay, let's go ahead and get this on here before it dries. Okay, and then I had these two. Oh, I pulled back to nature because we were outside for the pictures. All right. Well, I hope you guys are having a great week. Tomorrow is the oh so famous hump day. This week is kind of going by quickly on me. Seems like the closer we get to the end of the year, the closer the time seems to really go. So, you know, it could be just nuts. Wouldn't be anything new there. Alright, and we'll add this pink one as well because I don't like to have any leftovers. My feet feel like they're swelling up. Not good. Not good, did I say? Alright. Let me bring it all back in. I'll be right back. Okay. Sorry. I did go ahead and add some just white sequins. Or iridescent. They're not iridescent, they're white. And just a few gold hearts because they're my babies. They need hearts. Anyway, that's it. It's gonna go into this with the vellum on the side until I feel froggy enough to make something happen out of that vellum. I just don't see it happening anytime soon. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday, and I hope you had time to craft as I did. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Bye.